Haka Fifth State Conference yang kaseng kivasikai hapo kalama Meghalaya Upper Primary Teachers Association kawadapanman haka santri uniu banai ha Ummulong West Jaintia District. Kani kaseng kivasikai dadawa ko le na ka sorkar lang ba o menteri ka chanat pure puthi u Rakkam e sangma u wadawan sakhi kam u kongsan. Wato open psiak deficit no ya praspa so pau sotali ki ad hoc Upper Primary School hapo ka jela. Ye wada dep terwana do ipor yang ke sorkar MDA 1 lengba ke office order wada penmi hagan nyautri u Januari arajar khat khande. Kam ju le dadawa wo pengku ye ketulop yongki wo penyo ki kran wo pher wo penyin sur Wyrta wo yo ukre najrong wo pensngau ye ikho heyato ipen krek kam salon sar ye ke emtet hakiskur adhong. Nei liang u menteri hawe ye kelam ongu nei daw wa hakachnat pure puthi yong ke jela embon jai kichnan. Wei kivasikai le M kivasikai ad hoc deficit non-government wa kiwi kam te khnang yo ye wan ra I chikri walai nei kenrum kenram ka sorkar dadep thung ka State Education Commission nei benta uthu bnia heyato I pure puthi hapo ka jela. Wei iwa mi na iwa chem ka State Education Commission daw pha cha ka sorkar nei benta wo pai wo perkhan chwa uchim ye ka rai wa biang tam heyato upen bha pen miat ye pure puthi. Kam te heyato wei dawa gani ka seng kivasikai ongu was ngau tho hi u yi ikho yongki kam kivasikai tang waya kat te hi impu ye wo kular yi nei daw ka sorkar dang yang go yo yumun na ka State Education Commission. Ngas ngau tho hi o ye ba kli yonga wei ule o iwa bhatam nei benta I bha imiat kivasikai kam jo ko pure puthi ong urakam sangma. Hejo ipor da banjor haro o yaki vasikai wo Mki ba khali ye kam wakre ki khnang waka manrit ki khanna utar chaingo. Najrong iklam u menteri da yo ale iklam na HM Shangpliang advisor ka chnat pure puthi ka sorkar na ka Santa Mary Shela MLA Sutnga Saipung na u Bright Star Chermang MDC ka Jowai Not wa kiwi.
As of today, if you see the grading index of our state, we are the lowest in the country. The education scenario in the state, our state, is the lowest in the country. It is who's responsible? It's a chief minister, it's education minister, it's a teacher, it's a parents, it's a whose fault it is? The drop rate. Meghalaya has the highest drop rate in the country. It is who's responsible? It's a parents, it's a teacher, it's a MLAs, it's a officers. The learning outcome. I mean, it is like this. Our class 6 students is the services. We have conducted lots of survey to the various schools across the state. Our students of the class 6 students not able to read and write properly of the books, the syllabus of the class 2 and class 3. This is the situation now. And in the eyes of the thousands and millions across the globe and the country, Meghalaya testimony is not up to the standard that we did for. Therefore today, not only about your problems, let us also think about the problem being faced by our children, by the state. Therefore today, I'm not telling this data not to blame each one of you, but to understand the seriousness of the problem. Sometimes when we go to the restaurant, we call it tips, Moses. We call it tips. If you have get a good service from the waiter, from the hotels, some people give the tips. Inspired. Today, our service, our what we call our responsibility, shall we say, we have failed to inspire our children? Do our system fail to inspire our children? I'm not talking about your government aided school. In the state of Meghalaya, many children don't want to go to the government LP school. There are many schools which have zero enrollment, single digit enrollment, drawing the 60,000, 70,000 salary. There are many teachers. I don't know, this is Zainte Hills. I'm also from Nongal. This is Zainte Hills, having a rich coal deposit, limestone. There are many teachers of the government who are doing coal business. Coal, we call it coal mahazon. Maybe here also. And asking somebody to go to the school on his behalf like a proxy teacher. Maybe here in this district also. In my constituency, I belong to the coal belt area. And there are many government school teachers who never go to the schools, but they are sending somebody to teach on their behalf. This is happening. This is happening. Therefore, from next academic session, we will leave no stone unturned to get all this corrected. We would like to request all the teachers, especially from the government, if you don't want to serve the students, if you don't want to work anymore, you should better take BRS or quit the job. It is better. Don't kill your generation. Don't kill your community. And it will amount to sin.